I'm Sean Ricketts, Vice President of Trinity Cabling Company. Trinity Cabling Company provides structured cabling, coaxial cabling, fiber optic cabling in apartment complexes and hotels. We've been in business for about 14 years. On previous projects, we were limited to structured cabling and fiber optic testing only. With this new tester, we're able to not only test the structured cabling and fiber optic, but also to validate power over Ethernet. I saw the AEM tester at a trade show, and when I was able to hold the tester in my hand, see the interface, and hear about the speed of this machine as well as the price, it was pretty easy to make the decision to purchase the product. At first glance, I saw a tester that looked rugged and industrial, which impressed me. When I was able to try out the machine and see the touch screen and the intuitive interface and the price of the machine, I was very impressed with the product. When we first sent the AEM tester in the field, I gave it to my technicians without any training to see how they would use the machine and how it would work for them. When they came back at the end of the day, they said, "We like it," which was impressive to me because they're familiar with a competitor's machine, and this was the first time for them to take it out. The TestPro machine is faster than its competitors, which obviously saves us labor. It is easy to use, which makes it better for me to be able to hand to different employees and not worry about calls and questions on how to work the machine, which also costs labor. And then the price is significantly less than the competitors. So at the end of the day, we spent less money and we're saving money every time I send it to the field. The benefit of the AEM tester is that it's one tool providing multifunctional testing. So we send one machine out into the field instead of multiple machines to do the same job. I would advise any installer to look at the AEM tester before making a decision. Compare the price, compare the speed, and compare the functionality. With the advent of smart buildings, the level of cabling, the increase in structured cabling, the need for power over Ethernet cabling has all increased. We're now at a point that we need to be able to provide a system that can handle the data of this new environment. The AEM tester does just that.